Broken strands on your pillow, on your clothes, in your hands. You try oils, shampoos, serums, even expensive treatments, but the breakage just doesn't stop. And the most surprising part is, people have been using this remedy for generations, but almost no one applies it the right way. Today, I'm sharing exactly how the egg yolk mask works, why it targets hair breakage at the root level. Before you skip or think this is just another home remedy, stay with me, because one small mistake can completely cancel the results, and one simple step can double the benefits. If hair breakage, weak strands, split ends, dryness, or rough texture are your problem, this is for you. Watch till the end, because I'll also tell you how often to use it, who should avoid it, and how to make it smell-free and mess-free. Put the yolk in a bowl and whisk it gently until it becomes smooth. This step is important because unwhisked yolk can stick to hair unevenly. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil. If your hair is extremely dry, damaged, or chemically treated, olive oil works better. If your hair is normal to oily, coconut oil is enough. Oil helps the proteins spread evenly and prevents hair from becoming hard after the mask. Next, add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. If your hair is very frizzy or curly, you can add a few drops of vitamin E oil. If you have dandruff or scalp dryness, add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Keep the mixture simple. Adding too many ingredients reduces effectiveness. Dry hair won't absorb the mask properly, and soaking wet hair will dilute it. These areas are the most damaged and prone to breakage. Then gently apply whatever is left to the scalp. If you have dryness or weak roots, if your scalp is oily, avoid direct scalp application and focus on lengths. Once applied, gently massage your hair for 30 seconds, not aggressively. Aggressive rubbing causes more breakage. Tie your hair loosely and cover it with a shower cap or towel. Leaving egg masks on for too long can make hair stiff and difficult to wash out. 7 minutes is enough for proteins to bind temporarily with damaged areas of hair. While waiting, relax. No heat, no blow dryer, no sun exposure. Rinse slowly and thoroughly until the water runs clear. After rinsing, apply a mild, sulfate-free shampoo if needed, but many people find shampoo unnecessary if rinsed properly. If you're wondering who should avoid this mask, here's the truth. If you are allergic to eggs, avoid it.